In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. If your searches in the address bar keep going to Yahoo, we'll walk through the exact setting in Chrome to change your default search engine, and I'll show you how the selector works so you can switch it back to Google or any other option you prefer. Start by opening Google Chrome. With Chrome open, look to the top right of the window for the three vertical dots. That menu icon opens Chrome's main controls. Click it to expand the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control panel where all your preferences live. On the left side of the settings page, click Search Engine. This section is specifically for managing what powers the address bar, sometimes called the Omni box. Here, you'll see the current default listed, along with a button that may say Change, or, in some versions, Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click that option to open the list of available search providers installed in Chrome. You'll see entries like Google, Yahoo, and others. To demonstrate how this selector works and what might be happening on your device, click Yahoo in the list. Then click Set as Default. When you do this, you're telling Chrome to use Yahoo for anything you type into the address bar. If yours was already set to Yahoo, this is simply confirming what's currently selected. Now let's switch it to what most people want. Click Change again to return to the list. Find Google and click it. Then click Set as Default. That's the key action that updates your default provider. From this point on, any search you type into the address bar will be handled by Google instead of Yahoo. A couple of quick notes to help you out. The wording of the button might differ slightly depending on your Chrome version, but it will always be in this search engine area. If you prefer a different provider, you can select it the same way. Click the name in the list, then click Set as Default. Also, if you ever notice the default changing unexpectedly, remember that this is the place to come back and fix it in just a few clicks. That's it. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Settings, head to Search Engine, click Change, and use Set as Default to pick the provider you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove Yahoo Search from Chrome and get your address bar working the way you expect.